Oh, stop that shit! Oh, wait, hold up! Oh, hell no! Stop that shit!
Get the pop in this bottle for popping this shit. I start the movie like this. Got all this money, I'm feeling like Mitch. Like, I don't like beefing with kids. I'm on his body like I was a sis. Bitch, I'm too grown, I don't fight with my fist. Yo, bro, get the fuck in this shit. Get the pop in this bottle for popping this shit. Feel like the king, I'm on top of this shit. When they put on my soul, they start popping their heads. Let's get that boy what he want. They make a movie if he try to stunt. I'm in no bed, they gon' think I'm a nut. All the shit that you started cannot be undone. Like I'm a king, but do not call me Chun. Get in that mood and I don't give a fuck. Let me see who really chunk. Them boys not crazy, they see us, they run. Said I'm not in the mood, so please watch your approach. Bro, it's in the throat. Eyes wide open like he seen a ghost. I don't got time for no troll. Good player, bitch, I am the coach. Mentioning me, don't forget I'm a GOAT. Mentioning me, don't forget they can't hold me.
Can't let them hold me. Can't let them hold me. Can't let them down. Hold me. Can't let them hold me. Can't let them hold me. Can't let them down. This shit is scream. Never. I know life can get way better. I know life can get way sweeter. They say life's a bitch, I'm just waiting to meet her. I take on dates, I'm a keeper. I take on dates, I'm a lover. I'ma treat her like she is my only. I'ma treat her like there's no other. Hold me, can't let them hold me. Can't let them hold me. Can't let them down.
That's the dog food. Think it's sweet like some junk food. That's why I draw the line like it's art school. They tried out what I can do. I take I'm out impossible. The world is mine, I'm responsible. I'm colorblind, I come out the blue. World in my hands, I'm ball hogging. And when the summer, spring, fall on it. I'm at your grill like George Foreman. Dogville, never a dog moment.
Hold me, can't let them hold me. Can't let